Alright guys, presenting today the Hamstringer, the first hammer-primed stringer revolver. Size is roughly like that of the Outlaw. There's a bit of perspective here, but see the trigger and stuff lines up, but the hammer is up a bit higher. So a two-way trigger, you pull it to release the string from its things, and if you push it, you unlock the arm and flip out the cylinder and remove it. You load up your darts. Make sure you have 6. Here we go. And you pull, go forward, and fire. You can see it in action like here. You pull the hammer, push your dart into place, and then fire. One more. You can see where the dart is, so you can rotate it into the correct position. See if you're still loaded. Boom. That's it.